This week I'm testing the new Volkswagen Golf, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow on our socials. Number 1 is I could install 3 infra-secure child seats in the back of the Volkswagen Golf, which is fantastic. I've got the rear-facing Attain More, a versatile folding booster in the central seat, and Aroma 2 forward-facing booster seat in the other side. Number 2 is the boot floor of the Golf drops down about 10 centimetres, giving great extra depth and storage space for prams, and it can fit a twin or double stroller in the boot. Number 3 is the media system in the Volkswagen Golf. It's really nice and simple and easy to use. There's a lot of nice functions in here, like being able to control your driver assist settings and also volume beeps. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too, and when you put it into reverse, that camera image is nice and clear and it can fill the whole screen. We have loved our week with the Volkswagen Golf. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.